Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Zoology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. Today in genetics we will study the introduction of genetical terminology or terms used in genetics. What is genetics? Genetics is the branch of science that deals with the inheritance of biological characteristics. The transmission or passing of genetically based characters or traits from the parents to their offspring is called heredity. Gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity and they occupy a fixed position called locus on a chromosome. Each chromosome have many genes. Genetic information is stored in the form of DNA within the cell nucleus. The occurrence of small difference or variation among the individual of a species is called variation. This figure shows the structure of chromosome where the genetic information is stored in the form of DNA. What are allele or allelomorph? An allele is alternative form of a gene which are located on the same locus or genetic locus on a chromosome. Humans are called diploid organisms because they have two alleles at each genetical locus with one allele inherited from each parent. Alternative form of a gene at a given position on a chromosome is called allele. Example, the plant that occurs in tall and short form, there may be an allele that tends to produce tall plants and alternative form that produces the short plant. Homozygous and heterozygous. A plant with two identical alleles for a character is called homozygous for that character. Homozygous also refers to a genotype consisting of two identical alleles of a gene for a particular trait. An individual may be homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive. Individuals who are homozygous for a trait are referred to as homozygous. An individual or plants with two alternative alleles for a character is called heterozygous. What are phenotype and genotype? Phenotype are external expression or physical or chemical expression of a characteristics. Genotype is composition of a characteristics in the form of allele, in the terms of allele, or a description of its genetic makeup is called genotype. Hybrid. Hybrid. What is hybrid? Hybrid is the offspring that are result of mating between two genetically different parents. Punnett square. What is Punnett square? A simple graphical method of showing all of the potential combination of offspring genotype that occur and their probability given the parent genotype. See example below. Punnett squares are commonly used by genetics to predict the odds of a couple passing on a particular inherited genes. Genetic combination of parents, if the red and yellow is crossed, then this is the possibility of genotype. Thank you.